Hi, so I decided not to use this because this actually returns an order item, and we don't want this order item coming out. We actually want to find it and access it instead. So really, we do need a linear search from previously. So let me just pull the linear search back up. So let's do that. Now we won't use a for loop. Oh, sorry, we won't use a for each loop because I do want to remember the location. So I need to use index 0 to order form order list dot count -1, and just check, so I need to do is found, dim is found, false, dim location that I find. For now I'll put -1. If the customer order list is dot location index dot name equals to the name I'm looking for, then is found equals true, and location equals index, and I'll save the location. And then I exit the loop, and if is found is equal to true, I found it. I will access the order list at the location I found and update the amount that I want. Location. Update it with the amount that I want. Else means it doesn't exist. Add it to the new. Now what I should do is do an add. I want to add the amount of what I already have. Eight, beautiful. So I'll add 2 more. Should go to 10. There you go. Excellent. All right, so that's done. So that's a long way of doing it. If we use the dictionary, on the other hand, we don't have to do this linear search. All right, so we've done this. We've got a final order. We haven't saved our order. Oh yes, we have. We've saved the bill, so that's fine. The bill is, we've already done that automatically when we showed the bill. The menu page, there will be customer order list, and we can set the desired amount. Oh, we can increment and decrement, but we can also set the desired amount as well. Okay, so that means I should change my label to text box so I can change it. Yeah. Item, they can search by item. So they can search an item in the menu. Okay, that's fine. We've already done the read the menu file from the CSV file. Customers can add orders to their menu. Done. Menu items can be searched. We need to do that. Customers can set item amount. Order cannot be less than 1. So we need to make sure this thing doesn't go less than 1. But that's the decrement button. I probably won't program the decrement button. That's this button. We haven't programmed it. You can do that yourself. It's not compulsory. Checkout wasn't compulsory, but I did it anyway. Sort. the menu items by name and price. Request bill, increment, I've done. We've done save daily orders, we've done that. So we're nearly finished this act. We just need to now search and sort. Okay. So let's go back to our project. Search and sort. So we want to be able to sort this menu. Let's say there's a whole heap of stuff. We want to be able to sort it and have a look. But we also want to be able to search it as well. So we need some kind of searching place here. And I need to change that to so that I can change it to any value. I don't have to use these buttons. Let's do that first. So this thing should not be out anymore. We're not going to use label anymore. Or we can use a set, like put a number in and set it. How about that? Because I can't be bothered changing the label there. I'm just going to put in a txt where I can set the amount here. So I don't want to do increments and decrements. I actually just want to set the amount. It's pretty crappy design. I haven't really thought about the design. I'm just adding what I need to add. So this one is to set amount. For that amount. TXT amount. Alright, so is that all good? We can set amount. Alright. So what I need to do now is I need to put the amount in the txt amount as well. So that txt amount. I need to also update. No, don't need txt amount. Yeah. What else do I need to do? Set amount. So if I click set amount, it should just set the amount on the item. So I need to do all of these things. Because I got to do this again, I'm going to put in a function, procedure, private sub find item. This finds our item, and instead of exit 4, return location. Actually, I need to get this one. If it's found, instead of doing that, we should return true. No, return the location. As integer, or else we return -1, meaning we couldn't find it. Now what's the issue here? Oh, it's a function because it's got to return something. Or should I just... No, you know what? Don't worry about returning. Don't worry about making a function. Keep it as a subroutine. Grab all of that. Shove it in here. And this find and set item and we'll just call that here. And this should do the same thing, but instead of doing that, it should just set it to the amount. So it's almost the same thing. Actually, why not? Return location, return -1, as integer function. So I'm trying to return like numbers here, and this should be a function. Alright, so I've converted this to a function. It doesn't return these things, it just returns location. I can use it later here. So I can go dim location here, it'll come out of here, and then I can just if location is not equal to -1, it means it found it. And I could, per usual, do this. Else, I'll need this. And I'll need this. And else I'll do this. Right. However, for the set amount button, it will do the same thing, but it will set the amount, not add the amount. So exact same thing, except instead of set, it's set, this one's add. Alright, so we've got so that. Let's say I add avocado. I've got avocado here. Oh, menu page. No way. Something's wrong there. Ah, yes, of course. I need that here as well. Let's add Naruto ramen. So I'll add 3. It goes to 6. Then I'll set it back to 4. And that should be 4. But it went to 0. So we don't want that. So our set amount, there's a bug there. The amount sets to the amount here, which is not what we want. It should set from the, oh yeah, of course. It's not from the menu, it's from the txt amount.text. That's where it's from. And this one comes from, yeah, that's fine. So we need to change .text. So let me add 3. Go back, there should be 6. And then I'll set it back to 4. Go back, and it's 4.